Hi, I am Lopamudra Sen. Welcome back to my channel Electronic Science Tutorial. We already discussed about number system, basic gates and all types of Boolean postulates in digital electronics. And also I will teach the practical application of digital electronics in my channel. We already discussed about OR gate and AND gate using discrete circuit component. Those who are not visit my channel, please follow my channel for clear understanding of your electronic science subject. If you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. सब्सक्राइब की बेल आइकन को प्रेस करके रखिए ताकि जब भी मैं कोई नई वीडियो लेकर आऊँ आपको पता चले। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। In today's lecture, we will learn how we construct NOT gate using discrete circuit components. So let's get started. So what is NOT gate? We already know in previous lecture, that is the NOT gate has one input and one output. The output is in one state if the input is in 0 state and the output is in 0 state if the input is in 1 state. So next slide पे चलते हैं. So this is the circuit symbol of an NOT gate. A is the input and Y is the output. Y equal to A bar means when A is 0 we get 1 output, when A is 1 we get 0 output. So this is the circuit symbol of an NOT gate or an inverter circuit. The chip number of the NOT gate is 7404. ट्रूथ टेबल हम नेक्स्ट स्लाइड पे देखते हैं. In this slide we saw the truth table of a NOT gate. A is the input, Y is the output terminal. When A is 0 we get 1 output, when A is 1 we get 0 output. Thus this is the inverted output we get. When A is low we get its inversion, that is high output. When A is 1 we get inverted output, that is Y equal to 0. So this is the truth table of an NOT gate. The design of a NOT gate using discrete circuit components हम नेक्स्ट स्लाइड पे देखेंगे. So this is the circuit of a NOT gate using discrete circuit components where we use one NPN transistor. This is the base terminal, this is the collector terminal and this is the emitter terminal. One switch SW1 is used, one 5-volt power supply is used, one LED is used as a display device through a 330 ohm resistor. 330 ohm resistor is used to protect the LED display, otherwise it will be damaged. Okay. RB2 is connected to the base terminal and RC1 is connected to the collector terminal. We have to determine the values of these two resistors. To get faithful operation, we calculate proper values of RB2 and RC1. Design calculation we saw in next slide. So this is the design of a NOT gate using discrete circuit components. So this is the NOT gate calculation part. Here we choose a transistor, that is SL100. Okay. With the following supplied data, we can choose any type of NPN transistor. VC saturation value, that is 0.2 volt. VB on condition value, that is 0.8 volt. This value is same for any transistor. IC saturation value, which is nearly equal to 5 milliampere. This value is same for any transistor. And HFE, which is equal to 40, here we choose. This is the beta parameter value. You can choose any beta parameter value transistor. This is called HFE minimum value. Now to calculate IC, first we measure the voltage difference in collector terminal, that is 5 minus VC divided by RC1. 5, because 5 volt power supply is used in this circuit. 5 minus VC collector terminal voltage, 5 minus VC by RC1. Because we know from Ohm's law, that is I equal to V by R, and so R equal to V by I. Here R is RC1 and V is 5 minus 0.2 volt divided by IC means 5 into 10 to the power minus 3. So we've obtained 960 ohm value of RC1. Similarly, we calculate here minimum base current for saturation, that is IB minimum. IB minimum equal to IC by HFE. We know in transistor that is beta parameter equal to IC divided by IB. So IB equal to IC by, so IB equal to IC by IB. Beta equal to IC by IB. So IB equal to IC by beta. Beta is known as HFE minimum. Here IC value is 5. HFE minimum value we choose 40. So IB minimum value we get 0.125 milliampere. Again IB minimum equal to, we calculate the voltage difference in the base terminal, that is 5 minus VB on condition value by RB2. We know it from Ohm's law, that is I equal to V by R. Here V equal to 5 minus VBE, that is 5 minus 0.8 volt divided by IB, that is 0.125. So we get the RB2 maximum value, which is 33.6 kilo ohm. Commercially available carbon resistor is 1 kilo ohm, which is nearly equal to 960 ohm, and 33 kilo ohm, which is nearly equal to 33.6 kilo ohm. So for designing, we choose RB2 value is 33 kilo ohm and RC1 value is 1 kilo ohm. So this is the calculation of a NOT gate, and from design we determine the value of RB2 and RC1. This value of RB2 and RC1 we put into the circuit for proper designing. So next slide पे देखेंगे working of a NOT gate. Okay. The circuit realization of a NOT gate using a transistor is shown in this figure. If the input is low, that means this condition, the transistor is in cutoff condition because the base terminal is open now. Neglecting the reverse saturation current, that is ICO, we get the output voltage is high, so the LED will glow. If the input is high, the transistor is driven to saturation and the output will be low. That means LED will not glow. So this is the designing of a NOT gate using discrete circuit components, where we use one NPN transistor, one RB2 resistor in base terminal, one RC1 resistor in collector terminal, one switch is used, one 5 volt power supply is used, one LED display is used, and one 330 ohm is used to protect the LED. So by using this method, we can easily design a NOT gate. Okay. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. फिर मिलते हैं एक नई वीडियो के साथ. Thank you.